Installing your new kitchen and bath aerators will only take a few minutes. Here's what you'll need: faucet caps with aerators, rubber easy grip cloth, pliers are optional, pipe thread sealing tape. The steps are the same whether you're installing aerators in your kitchen or in your bathroom, so just be sure to grab the right aerator for each room. Let's get started in the bathroom. Step 1. Remove your existing faucet cap. Using the rubber easy grip cloth, unscrew the faucet cap. Your new faucet aerators are designed to work with both internal and external threads. If your bathroom faucet has internal threads, utilize both washers. Start with the thinner washer followed by the thicker. If your faucet has external threads, use only the thinner washer. Step 2. Align the threads on the inside of the faucet arm with the exterior threads of the new cap. Turn the faucet cap in a clockwise, right direction and tighten fully with the rubber easy grip cloth. Step 3. Test your new aerator. While the water is flowing, look closely for any leaks at the threads. If you notice a leak or spray, remove the aerator and add a layer or two of the pipe thread sealing tape. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. Your kitchen aerator includes one large rubber washer. If the fit is too tight, just remove the washer and reinstall the aerator. And just like the bathroom aerators, add pipe thread sealing tape to the faucet threads to stop any leaks. Switch between needle and bubble spray by simply turning the base of the aerator in either direction. To see how to install the other energy-efficient items in your kit, visit duke-energy.com/savewater.